Courses of at dump truck, drill rig, excavator, reach stacker operators training school. Call us /WhatsApp +27 73 1582 436 Witbank, Mpumalanga, Secunda, Siabaswa. +27 73 1582 436 Mulani Operators Training Center is fully registered. #2013/124410/07. We do provide safety courses on lifting, construction and welding training. Forklift training for 5 days. Dump truck for 7 to 10 days. Excavator for 7 to 10 weeks. Front end loader for 7 to 10 days. Bulldozer for 7 to 10 days. Grader for 7 to 10 days. Container track 7 to 10 days. Mobile crane for 7 to 10 days. LHD scoop for 7 to 10 days. Reach truck for 7 to 10 days. Tower crane for 7-10 days. Overhead crane for 7 to 10 days. Drill rig for 7 to 10 days. Bobcat for 3 days. TLB for 7 to 10 days. Reach stacker for 7 to 10 days. Welding courses. Call +27 73 1582 436 for booking. Plus boiler making 4 weeks, plus Co2 welding 4 weeks, plus gas welding, plus arc welding 4 weeks, plus stainless steel welding 4 weeks, plus argon welding 4 weeks, plus electrical installation 4 weeks, plus plumbing 4 weeks, plus pipe fitting 4 weeks, plus fit and turning 4 weeks, plus shuttering 4 weeks. We do help for job placement after training. Free accommodation available for short courses excluding forklift and B. License renewal also done as you wait. We are located in Germiston. Call us 0731 582 436 for inquiry. South Africa, Johannesburg. Tel +27 118 241,189. Cell +27 73 1582 436 0731 582 436. WhatsApp. Email us mulani@yahoo.com. Visit us Facebook http://www.facebook.com/Mulani Twitter http://www.twitter.com/Mulani Training. Website http://www.mulanioperatorstraining.com/ Mulani Operators & Welding Training School, South Africa. No former experience is needed. We provide a platform for school leavers, people wanting to change careers, people wanting to do their trade test, or people that already work in these trades and want to improve their skills. We equip the students with the essential skills in a workshop environment over a period of 15 days or shorter, which means that the students will be competent to start work immediately. Mulani Operators & Welding Training School in South Africa. We update students' CV and send their details to more than 70 consultants which can assist them with job placements. For any further assistance regarding the training center prices or requesting of our portfolio, please contact our offices. Office hours +27 73 1582 436 8 a.m. 1700 HRS /. For a brighter future on. Hurry to avoid disappointment. Part-time classes are on Saturdays for 9 Saturdays. Get registered now to avoid disappointment. For a brighter future. Website http://www.facebook.com/Mulani Training. plus 27731582 slash WhatsApp 0731582436.